We have some very special people here. It is the
Dee-licious dance crew.
Time for precision. Then look at me and think, wow, personal trainer, nutritionist. So I want to give you a few tips to help you get better to play full 2 minutes. Oh, he was chasing the ambulance down our street. And then my mate Johnny said to the ambulance driver, I said, excuse me, sir, can I have 1 scoop of vanilla and 2 scoops of chocolate glaze? Don't make it too sweet. I don't have a sweet tooth. I have a gold tooth.
I was just about to say, who's the spokesperson in this group? You'll do. Come and stand over here. Oh, you're all sweaty, God.
Oily.
Tell us about your little group and this half-naked carry-on that you do, because...
Not that we're against that or anything.
Megan, inappropriate. Because we've been at a couple of things together and we never had a chance to talk to you. Do you remember that? Yeah, you remember. I'm sure you remember it more than me. How did your group come about?
We're just a bunch of boys working at Nike, selling shoes. We hey, let's make a dance group. So we started pushing all the gears back and dancing in the shop. Yep.
Really? Like that? You're dancing in the Nike shop like that?
Like that.
Wow, you must be the busiest Nike shop in South Pacific.
That's why they make their budgets.
I can imagine. And which Nike store is this?
Dress Smart.
Dress Smart in
I think the lady in the pink pants, she's been to that Nike store just quietly.
Is that how they carry on when you go in there? Really? I've never been to Dress Smart. I should come out there.
Yeah, you should.
And so you just go to corporate gigs and you do these sort of things, or how do you get, like, do people just say, hey Nike boys, come and dance for us? How does this all work?
We just we start off small.
Yes.
Dancing for our own people, like people on the south side that didn't get into that south side, and then we were privileged enough to get gigs out here with beautiful people like you. And yeah.
Thank you for saying I'm beautiful. That's very nice of you. That is fantastic. And do you have like long term? Do you want to not be working at Nike and be doing this around the countryside, or
if we had it our way, we would. Yeah. We like to satisfy everyone's taste buds.
Wow. So I think what he's trying to say, ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for a fantastic island performing group who can sell shoes on the side, Dee-licious is the group.
Where do we find you? How do we find you?
If you guys want to see more, we got stuff on Facebook and YouTube.
YouTube and Facebook. Go and have a shower and do what you do after this sort of thing.
Give it up
Thanks,
one more
boys,
time,
so
everybody.
much. The delicious dance crew. That's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
They're oily.